guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your nose bigger in a photo using the FaceApp. So after you open the FaceApp, you just need to choose the photo that you want to edit, and you need to go to the size options at the menu here at the bottom to find the big nose effect. Okay, so here just click on the big noise effect, and there will be 4 options like this. You can just choose between the number 1 until 4 to adjust the size of nose that you want to apply to your photo, like this. So this is the before and here is the after. Okay, so that's all from me. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.